Hi, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily pay monthly using PayPal.
So in your search bar, just type paypal.com/us/digital-wallet/ways to pay and buy now dash pay later. So once you're done entering that on your search bar, you will be redirected to this buy now pay later offer of PayPal. So all you have to do is just sign up or log into your account, and if you're eligible on this payment method, you will be able to enjoy this offer from PayPal. So if we scroll down for a little bit, we can see two ways to pay, and we can see here the pay monthly option. We can start by clicking on Start Shopping, and these are the shops where you can use PayPal's exclusive offer of pay monthly. So once you've already chosen an offer and store, you can now proceed to log in and save offer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily pay monthly on PayPal. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!